Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Adventures with Chef Philly Cheese. Today we're going to be making a Christmas pasta featuring little Santa Claus noodles, some pesto sauce, some ricotta cheese. It's all going to mix together, red and green and snowy white. We're going to have a wonderful dinner and see how it turns out. Now I'm not sponsored by Aldi, but we got all of our food from Aldi. This pasta is actually shaped like Santa Claus, reindeer, and some other Christmas shapes, and it worked out really well. Aldi is a great grocery store where we get all of our food. So here's all of our ingredients. We have our pasta, we have some Italian sausage, we have mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and pesto. So first thing we're going to do is boil our pasta. We're going to cook our Italian sausage. I'm going to season it with these ingredients. So next we're going to do is we're going to add our tomato sauce to our Italian sausage and let that simmer for a while. Then I'm going to add some ricotta cheese to a bowl and mix it. When the pasta is done, I'm going to add the tomato sauce into the pasta. Next we're going to start assembling our pasta. We're going to add the pasta to a casserole dish. We're going to layer it with mozzarella cheese. We're going to add ricotta cheese, make it look like snow. Then we're going to put pesto on top to look like Christmas trees. I put the pasta in for about 20 minutes, and when it came out, the smell in our house was absolutely amazing. It smelled delicious. Here's the final product. And dinner is served. I added some Parmesan cheese to mine to look like snow falling from the sky. And this was an amazing dinner. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.